everyone, now I am visible. I'm audible because to me, many of you are not. Jay, you want to say something? Your screen is.
And you have done word of the day.
No, still I am not given because I also have a network issue and you people are also having. Right now I am not. Let me.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking. Ma'am, your voice is cracking. Very slow. Ma'am, your voice is cracking. Ma'am, your voice is cracking. Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Okay, everyone. I hope now I am visible and audible. Show me thumbs up. Okay, fine. So now I would like to give you the word of the day. I can see your thumbs up. Fine, everyone. I have got your answer. Okay, so today's word of the day is nod, nodding. You know, I hope everybody knows the meaning of nodding. Do you know anybody out of you knows the meaning of nodding? Tell me, anybody of you wants to tell its meaning?
Ma'am,
क्या होगा nodding का meaning?
your video is not visible.
My video is still not visible.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Ma'am, voice is cracking and visible.
You know, he have some.
Your voice is again cracking. Ma'am,
Your voice is
not audible. Your voice is cracking and you are not audible. The voice is
Wait,
cracking.
I'm trying to solve this.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, you are not.
Still, am I not audible and visible? Because no use of teaching until and unless I am audible and visible to you. है ना? Aditri, right. Aditri, your answer is correct. Okay. So I am sending the word and its meaning through the chat. Right? The word of the day is nodding, or it can be nodded also. Nodded is used for past. It can be simple nod also. Like what happens? Yes, right, Aditri. And its meaning is perfectly fine what you have given. Shaking head to answer yes or no. Okay. It means to move your head up and down. Okay. As a way of answering yes. Okay. I'm sending you through chat. Its meaning. Check in the chat, everyone. To move your head up and down as a way of answering yes. Check, everyone. To move your head up and down like this, we used to say, sometimes if somebody asks you the question, you used to say yes. This is called nodding. Okay, this is called nodding. Okay, got easiest word, I guess, Hannah? Okay, everyone. I hope now I'm audible and visible too. Let me check. I want your response. Am I audible and visible now?
Yes,
Then only
ma'am.
I'll-
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no.
No, no, no,
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, your video is not visible. Ma'am, and your voice is cracking.
Oh, I don't know why it's happening. I haven't used my data yet. Beta, there are some network issues. Chalo, no issue. I'm going to display my screen. I'm going to share my screen. I hope everybody got the word of the day. Yes, everybody got the word of the day. Okay, now then I'm sharing my screen to I know today we have lot of network issues, but no issue. I'll display my screen and it will be visible to you. My screen is visible, everyone. It's visible. Okay, this was the chapter I gave you. Now we will revise it. Everybody knows what are common nouns? The common names for the words, right? In which we can't, in which a specific name is not given. Like I'm saying, a boy came to my house, right? So a boy, I have not given who has come. It can be anyone. Can be Vihan also, Karsh also, Shivansh also, right? Can be anyone. But if I'm saying Rudransh came to my house, Rudransh, you want to say something?
Yes.
Speak, beta.
Ma'am, my chat box is not working.
Why? Something happened due to your keypad? Something wrong with your keypad?
No.
Then something wrong with the Zoom app? Or some network issues?
मैम जब मैं सेंड कर रहा हूँ लिख के आ रहा है.
Speak in English. When I am sending, then what notification you are getting?
Ma'am, Jasmine Kaur is not in meeting.
Oh, beta, this is due to network issues. Okay? Fine. You are unmute. If you want to say something later on also, you can say. Okay? Okay, where we were discussing about the common nouns. First of all, you should know what are nouns. Nouns are the names of person, place, thing, animal, ideas and emotions. Ideas and emotions which we cannot see. Okay? Then there are types of nouns which we have studied, common nouns and proper nouns. So first of all, we will discuss about the common nouns and you will tell me the answers of these questions. Fine? We will solve this exercise today. So common nouns are the common names for the things. Like if I am saying a boy came to my house, I gave you the example. It can be any boy, right? But if I am giving you the correct name, particular name, then it means I am talking about the special person, right? So the special names, the particular names for the person, animal, thing or anything. This is proper noun. Okay? Like here. Here we have to underline the common nouns. Okay? Amira rides her bicycle in the park. Okay, so one by one, I wish to ask questions from you people, right? But there are some students who hardly gets the chance. है ना? Okay, Keshav Gaba. Sit properly, Keshav.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow is ma'am, yesterday is singular plural test.
Yesterday was. Yes. Yesterday I have taken singular plural test. Yes.
Ma'am, I send in your WhatsApp number.
Okay. I have received of many. I'll check and send it to you by today. Sure. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, Bessie, I unmuted you to ask the questions. Chalo, no issues. Let me ask to somebody else. Garv Munjal, are you there? Your video is off, Garv. Okay, Garv, tell me common noun in the first sentence. Vihan, what happened?
Now I want to tell the answer.
First one.
Yes, ma'am.
Garv Munjal, where are you? I unmuted you. You are not here in the class. Raise your hand if you are here. Garv Munjal. Okay, Vihan, tell me first one.
Ma'am, common noun.
Yes.
Ma'am, bicycle and park.
Right. Okay, right now.
I am unmute.
Garv Munjal, you are unmute, right? Tell me the second part. Ranjit forgot his coat in the car. Garv Munjal, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
He's mute. Leave it. Abhi Rathore, tell me the second one.
Ma'am, coat and car are common noun.
Very good. Coat and car are common noun. Mute yourself now. Okay, Shashwat Garg, I can't see your picture. Are you there, Shashwat? Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Tell me the third one.
an aeroplane lands at the airport. Ma'am, common noun or proper noun?
Common, read out the question.
Ma'am, aeroplane and airport.
Right. Aeroplane and airport are the common nouns. Okay, fine. Because no name is given here for the aeroplane. Right?
Yes, ma'am. And airport also. The same thing.
Right. Okay. You know, this I have taken from class 3. Okay, so be careful. Your answers must be correct. Gurnoor, are you there, Gurnoor?
Yes, ma'am.
Gurnoor, tell me the fourth one. Find out the common nouns.
Monkey and road.
Yes, monkey and
Road.
okay, right answer. Okay, now Lavanya Nair, are you there? Garv Munjal, are you there? Okay, Arav Agarwal, tell me fifth one. Arav Agarwal. Okay, Jagjot, you tell me fifth part.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Arav Agarwal, are you there? Your video is off.
Ma'am, because I am, ma'am, yes.
Because I am, speak again.
Ma'am, because I am going to washroom.
Okay, fine. Okay, Vardhan, are you there? Abhi, right now, see, many of you are not present, and then later on you will say, ma'am has not asked the question from me. है ना? Okay, Sujay, tell me fifth part.
The stadium was decorated with orange, white, and green balloons.
Yes. Tell me the
Ma'am,
common nouns.
stadium and balloons.
Right. Okay, good.
Mute.
Okay. Now we have Tripti Anuja, tell me sixth part.
Ma'am, एक building or gate. Building or gate.
And one more.
Gate.
One more.
Gate.
Girl. Right? Okay, Tripti.
मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछा है अभी.
Fine. Now, Sherwin, tell me the seventh part. Sherwin, are you there?
Mama.
Sherwin, beta, unmute yourself. unmute yourself once more. वापस से म्यूट हो गए हो. Sherwin, unmute. Yes. Tell me seventh part.
Ma'am, country.
Country. Okay, fine. Atashi, tell me eighth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Eighth. Tell me common noun.
7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8.
Every day I go to school and sit in my class.
Every day I got.
Go to.
Every day I go to school and I sit in my class. School and class.
School and class, right? Okay, fine. Next we have Modak Joshi. Tell me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
ninth one.
Ma'am, you have muted me.
Now you are unmute, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
I love sharing. Ma'am, candies and siblings.
Very good. Candies and siblings. Okay. So now here we will discuss about proper nouns. The most important thing about proper nouns is they begin with the capital letter and they are the particular names of the thing, people, places or animals or days, month, right? Pavitr, are you there? Your screen is freezed, I guess. Okay, Dhruv. In this question, you have to underline the proper noun and rewrite the sentence. Okay? Here you cannot rewrite the sentence. Just tell me the words which are proper nouns.
Akhil,
I
Jaipur.
is the proper noun. I is a proper noun.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, Akhil and Jaipur.
Acha. Okay, one more thing. What is I here? I kya hai?
Ma'am, one person.
No, like it's noun or it is a kind of noun or what is it? It's verb. Anything out of it's a pronoun. I, you, they, we, he, she, it. What are these?
Pronouns.
Right. This is a pronoun. Okay. Okay. Now we have Sirat. Read out the second and tell me what are proper nouns here. I am unmuting you. Yes. Now speak.
My cousin Ravi will arrive from the New York in July. Ma'am, New York, Ravi, and July.
Right. Good. Arnav Atri, read out the third one.
Black Beauty is a novel
written by Anna Sewell.
Where you have gone, Arnav? You are unmute. Sorry, you are mute. Unmute yourself. Arnav, unmute yourself.
मैं हम अनम्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे थे.
Okay, okay.
I
Now
can
speak.
Black Beauty is a novel written by Anna Sewell.
Yes. So what is the proper noun here?
Black Beauty and Anna Sewell.
Okay, very good. So these things will begin with the capital letter. Okay. Aditya BIS, read out fourth one.
My favorite cartoon character is Mickey Mouse.
What is the proper noun here?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse, right. Acha, what is a common noun here?
Ma'am.
Cartoon.
Cartoon.
Okay. Okay. Now mute yourself, please. Arav Garg. Arav Garg, read out fifth part. Unmute yourself, Arav. Tell me fifth part. Arav,
Yes, ma'am.
fifth part.
Yes.
Tell me the common noun in the fifth part. Sorry, proper noun.
Ma'am, क्या?
Arav,
Ma'am, your voice is cracking. Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
okay, then read out the question on the top of the screen. Underline the proper noun
Yes,
and
ma'am,
read
ma'am.
it. I'm asking you to tell me the proper
Akhil
noun.
and it. I travel to Jaipur by train.
Arav, fifth part.
Fifth.
Yes.
Ma'am, हमने क्या? Ma'am, हमने क्या? Only top sentence.
Arav, I'm not getting what you are saying. I'll ask you later on. Okay, when your network issues will not be there. Okay, Shresh, read out the fifth part.
Sanaya and Neha are going to watch a movie. Sanaya and Neha.
Beta, this is Sanya.
Sanya and Neha.
Okay, yes, tell me the proper nouns here.
Sanaya and Neha.
Sanya and Neha. Okay, now mute yourself. Okay, now we have Avi Kadyan. Tell me the sixth part.
Sixth.
Yes.
Samita has a pet dog named Pixie.
Pixie. Okay,
Pixie.
Smita has a pet dog named Pixie. Now tell me the proper nouns here.
Samita and Pixie.
Beta, this is not Samita. This is Smita. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Alicia, seventh one.
I visited the Red Fort when I was in Delhi.
Tell me the proper nouns.
Red Fort and Delhi.
Okay, very good. Prince Preet, tell me the eighth part. Prince Preet, are you there? Tell me eighth part. Unmute yourself. Wait. Prince, unmute yourself.
मैम ने
I'm
मुझे
not.
सेवेंथ वाला
Prince
पूछा
Preet,
बता दिया
unmute yourself.
प्रॉपर
I'm
नाउन
not able to
बोल
unmute you.
दिल्ली एंड रेड फोर्ट
Okay, Prince. Try. Yes, now you are unmute. Speak. Eighth part.
The Nile is a river flows through Egypt and the 10 other countries.
Very nice. Tell me the proper nouns. What is the
Egypt
proper
and-
noun? Egypt
Egypt
and
and Nile.
yes, because they are the special names. Okay. Now we have, okay, the questions are finished and the time is also finished. Chalo. Archit, tell me the first fill up. Archit, unmute yourself. Archit, your video is hopping. I am not able to unmute you. Are you there, Archit? Okay. Devan Sharma, tell me the first fill up.
When Wednesday come between dash and dash.
Namanpreet, what are you doing?
Tuesday and Thursday.
Okay. Right. When Wednesday comes between Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, Ahana, tell me the second fill up.
River that flows through Delhi.
You know,
Yes. And what?
tell me which river flows through Delhi.
Yamuna River, ma'am.
Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now, Shresh, tell me the third. Sorry, Aditya, tell me the third sentence. Fill up.
Dash is the 7th month of the year.
Yes. You know my birthday falls in this month. Yes. Right. Right answer. Okay. Rehan, have you given the answer? No. See, there are some students who usually don't get the chance, है ना? You can tell me if you are not getting the chance on a regular basis. Okay?
Okay.
You know, sometimes what happens from my side, I'm unmuting you, I'm asking questions from you, but you people are not, sometimes you are not audible, sometimes I'm not audible, the question is skips, your turn also skips. Okay, Aradhya Mittal, are you there? Aradhya Mittal, Chaitanya, I can't see your videos. Rajveer,
Yes, ma'am.
Jyot, I want to ask questions from you people, but your videos are also off. Rajveer, Geet, Jagjot, Siddhant, Utkarsh Goyal, are you there? Okay, everyone, leave it. Tomorrow, I guess I don't have class here, right? So on Monday, I will be taking test of this chapter, common noun and proper noun.
Ma'am.
Yes, the time is over now.
Ma'am, time is over. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The time is over. That is why I'm not able to ask from rest of you people. So on Monday, there will be the test of this chapter. Be prepared, okay? And I will give you in the form of MCQs.
Okay, ma'am.
I have seen many of you have given the right answer for the multiple choice questions. I have seen your sheets. Although I haven't replied, but I have seen your sheets. Okay? Be prepared for the test on Monday.
Ma'am,
Beta, your voice is cracking a lot.
मंडे को नहीं पागल है नहीं यार
You are not visible.
मम्मा लीव मीटिंग कर दो अब उससे चालू होगी टेस्ट नहीं है
Harihan.
हाँ अपने म्यूट रह गए
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Arav Agarwal, come fast. Everyone, open your video. Yes, good morning, everyone. Let them everyone join. Then, yes, we can start. Yesterday, ma'am has told you what you have done yesterday class. In yesterday class, we have done international place value system. Now tell me who understand. किसको समझ में आ गया है कि इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम में हाउ टू राइट इन, तो आप इंटरनेशनल सीखेंगे. You will have to raise your hand. Let me check who. Raise your hand. International place value chart. Good morning to everyone. Good morning, beta Bhan, Shresht, everyone. Good morning, Avi, Siddhim. Now we will not say good morning and all. Now we will start our class. Who got yesterday? Okay, good morning. Yes. Shashwat is raising hand. Yes, Shashwat. बेटा कैसे लिखना होता है इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में? क्या रूल्स हैं उसके?
मैम उसमें ट्रिलियन, मिलियन और बिलियन आते हैं और 1000, जो मैम ने कल वीडियो दिखाई थी.
अच्छा. ओके फाइन. बट मीन्स आपने देखा होगा इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. लेट मी शेयर यू द स्क्रीन हियर, देन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. देखो बेटा, इधर आपको इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट दिख रहा है एवरीवन. इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में ये जो बेटा ये जो ऊपर बने होते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड पीरियड्स. वंस पीरियड नहीं, वेट फॉर अ मिनट. डिसेबल पार्टिसिपेंट एनोटेशन. ये देखो बेटा, जो प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट है वो ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड है. ग्रुप्स कौन? वंस ग्रुप है. देखो वंस ग्रुप में क्या क्या आ रहा है? 100, टेंस, वंस. 1000 ग्रुप में क्या क्या आ रहा है? 10,000, 1000. ग्रुप क्या? करोड़ ग्रुप, 10 करोड़ एंड करोड़. देखो बेटा, जो प्लेस है उनको आपने ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. एवरीवन रिमेंबर दैट इन इंडियन प्लेस चार्ट आपको कैसे कॉमास लगाने होते हैं? पहले आपको कितने डिजिट्स के बाद लगाने होते हैं? आरुष, इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में आप कॉमा कैसे लगाते हो?
मैम 3 डिजिट्स के बाद.
में
मैम 3 डिजिट्स के
बेटा
बाद.
पहले तो आप 3 डिजिट के बाद में लगाते हो, एंड 2 डिजिट्स पहले. देखो इधर आपको एक एग्जांपल भी गिवन है. First you will put comma after 3 digits, then you will start putting comma after 2 digits. पहले आपको 3 डिजिट के बाद कॉमा लगाना होता है, then 2 फिर आपका 2 स्टार्ट हो जाता है. समझ में आया? गॉट इट? इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू में आपको कॉमा कैसे लगाना होता है? वॉइस इज क्रैकिंग. व्हाट टू डू बेटा विहान? Okay, I think this because of the network issue, but thank God now I'm today I think I'm able to see you. Yesterday तो okay fine. बेटा आपको क्या करना है इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में? कितने डिजिट्स के बाद कॉमा लगता है? विहान चार्ट की इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. विहान need to wait for a second. you can message me how to put a comma in Indian place value chart. इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में आप लोग कॉमास कैसे लगाते हैं? पहले आप लगाते हैं 3 digits, then 2 digits and then 2 digits. First you have to put comma after 3 digits and 2 digits. It is clear to everyone? Indian place value chart. Yes. बेटा इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू आपको क्या करना होता है? पहले आपको 3 डिजिट्स के बाद कॉमा लगाना है, देन 2 डिजिट्स के बाद. बट इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में क्या है? आपको हर आफ्टर 3 डिजिट बाद कॉमा लगाना है. उसमें 2 डिजिट का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है कि आपको 2 डिजिट के बाद कोई कॉमा लगाना है. इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में आपको 3 डिजिट्स के बाद में कॉमा लगाना है. समझ में आया? इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में पहले 3 डिजिट देन 2 डिजिट्स, बट इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में आपको 3 डिजिट्स के बाद कॉमा लगाना है. इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन हाउ टू पुट कॉमा? पहले तो आपको कॉमा लगाना आना चाहिए, देन वी विल मूव टू द हाउ टू राइट नंबर नेम. क्लियर? देन यू कैन डू थम्स अप. आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी एनी थम्स अप राइट नाउ.